gorgeous people. This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff, and it's Subscription Box Saturday. So in today's video, I have for you Nail Game by Kiki. So we all know that I was struggling with my nails, and I was buying the Kiss nails at Family Dollar, but I thought it might be easier for myself if I just went ahead and got a subscription for a nail service. So I decided to try this one out. I did find it on Cratejoy. I will link everything in the description box below. I'm going to go ahead and go over a little bit about this company based off of what I see on their website so that you guys know a little bit about what this company is and what they do, and then I'll show you what they sent me in my first shipment. Okay guys, so when you go to their website, their homepage looks like this. Now before I go over the subscription boxes, I also want to go over some of the other things this company has to offer, like the awesome nail designs. Hello! They have this really cool Christmas design. I love this. It's super fun. They also have this one. It's like a cameo. It's like an older kind of vintagey looking nail. And then they have these newer designs, which are all super cool as well. I love all of them, and I would rock them that long if I could. I also want to go over some of the different styles and sizes that they have available. So they have the ballerina style in an extra long, or a medium. They have the coffin style in a long or a medium, the stiletto style in an extra long or a long. They have the almond in a long or a medium, and then they have the square in an extra long, a long, or a medium size. So now that I've gone over the different styles, shapes, and sizes for these nails, why don't we scroll on over to that front page where they have all these different options at the top of their page. We're going to click on that All Nails tab at the top there and see what it takes us to. So as you can see, there's so many different options for their nails. You can even custom order a pair of nails. You can order a nail sizing sampler so that you can figure out exactly what size you need for each of your fingers before you order a set of nails. And if we go to the next page here, it just shows you some of the other awesome things that they have to offer. So I'm going to go ahead and move to the top of the page again, and we're going to click on that Ready to Ship. So as you can see, they have this set available right now that is ready for shipment. Let's click on subscription boxes. So here it says a different set of gorgeous hand-designed pressed-on nails sent every month to your mailbox. Click on the Cratejoy and or Amazon links to check out the various subscription boxes available. Let's click on that Cratejoy link and it'll take you directly to the Cratejoy website. Once there, go ahead and click that subscribe now button. It'll take you here, and then go ahead and click choose a subscription. So they have super cute designs, basic nail colors, a little bling, full-on diva bling, or I want it all. Well, I think I want it all. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and then you can choose your shape length. So they have coffin medium, coffin long, ballerina medium, ballerina long, ballerina extra long, stiletto extra long, almond medium, almond long, oval medium, oval long, square medium, or square long. Let's go ahead and go with the almond medium for this particular exercise and proceed to the checkout. So once you proceed to the checkout, it's going to give you some options for what type of plan you want. You can do the 1 month at $48. You can do the 3 months at $46.67 a month, 6 months at $45.83 a month, or you can do 12 months at $45 a month. So that covers everything on how you would get a subscription through Cratejoy. Now, I did click on the Amazon link on their website, but unfortunately it says that that plan is currently unavailable on the Amazon website. So we're not going to go over that one in this video, but hopefully they will get that up and running very soon and you will be able to order from Amazon as well. So without further ado, let's see what they put in my box for this month. Okay guys, so when I got my first package, I was so super excited because I thought, oh wow, that was super fast. They already got my nails to me. But here's the package, okay? So I open it up and I'm like, ooh, super great packaging. Look at that. I was super excited. And then I opened the box and this is what I saw. I was like, that's not my nails. So when they send you your first package, what you're going to need to do is figure out what sizes of nails that you need for each hand. You need to do this on both of your hands, and then you email her those nail sizes, and then they ship you your first shipment. So that was a little confusing to me, and I'm sure I explained that to you guys in my description of the company, but I just clicked subscribe and just, went from there. I actually didn't read too much about it. So that was a surprise. So if you do decide to do this, they'll first send you this little package here to find out what nail sizes you need for your right and your left hand. You email that to them, and then you get your first package. So I waited to film that one. until I got this package. So here's my first package from them. Let's open it up and see what they sent to me. Oh, there's other stuff in here besides nails. Oh, that's cool. All right, well, let's start with the other stuff. 3-in-1 magic gloves. Okay, wear them 3 ways. Oh, that's cool. Look, so you can wear them like this, or like this, or like this. That is really cool. Why don't I just pop it open and see these 3 ways you can wear these gloves? That's pretty interesting. Okay, so obviously this is way 1. Ba-bam. All right, so what's way 2? What do I do? Oh, I see. So you could just take that part off and just wear a regular glove. Ba-bam. Or if you wanted to, you could have your fingers out of your glove, which is what I prefer, and wear it like this. Awesome! Well, that's pretty cool and quite a surprise. I did not expect to get anything besides nails in my shipment. Again, I'm sure I went over that when I described the company, but I was actually just expecting nails, so that's pretty cool. Okay, guys, I have to interrupt myself here because on the Cratejoy website, they did have this information on there, and it clearly says here, Nail Game by Kiki's monthly subscription boxes includes a hand-designed, custom-sized nail set, nail glue, cuticle pusher, nail file, and various surprise goodies that will enhance the look of your new nails. So clearly they did put that on there, but I forgot to go over it when I was going over the company, so here it is now. Let's move on. All right, let's see what else is in here. That's awesome. Okay, so they have the nail glue that you're going to need because I use glue on nails. I tried using the Impress nails, but with my crafting, they just don't really stay on. So I know Linda Roy from Mature Sass loves those, and I did too at one time, but I gave the rest of mine away in a giveaway because yeah, I didn't use them very much. So then we have a card here. It says Nail Game by Kiki. Check out my online store at nailgamebykiki.com. So she's got her own store. I'm sure I went over that when I described everything, but I'm just saying I'm reading this for the first time. It says for a larger variety of nail designs, also sign up for sale notifications, discount codes, and giveaways. Use this discount towards your next purchase. Oh, awesome. So I have a 20% off little discount for my next purchase. That's pretty awesome. So I'll have to go check out her website, which I'm sure I already already went over that with you guys, but I'm filming this prior to doing that. So yeah, I'll check it out. Awesome. Okay, so let's get into the rest of this. There's something else in here besides the nails. What is this? This is so fun, guys. All right. Oh, okay. So if you wanted to, look, it comes in this, by the way. I should have shared that to you. Sorry. But yeah, it comes in this. Super cute. You could do it like the Impress nails. So that's what these are. These are those little peel and stick thingamabobbers that you can use when you do like the Impress nails. But I'm going to use the glue because, again, I'm a crafter and those just don't want to stay on for me. So let's see what else she has in here. Oh, we have some more nail glue. Okay. So here's another little nail glue that they put in there, as well as a cuticle pusher backer thingamabobber, which is awesome, and a little mini nail file. 2 sides. Okay. Really cool. So let me put all that stuff back in the bag so I don't lose it. All right. And we are finally to the nails, which is why you guys are probably here and you're like, where's the nails? Well, they're here. Hold on. Ooh, fun. Okay. Ooh, look. Super fun. So you don't know what designs you're going to get, guys. It's a total surprise. Like, I wasn't aware what they were going to send to me. So I think the blue is really fun with the stars and the gold. I love it. So you guys, let me zoom in so that I can show you guys what these really look like. So this is my first shipment from them. So I think I paid $30 a month for this subscription. So hopefully I'm able to make these nails last a good bit, but I'm also going to see what else they have available because I do find myself needing to change these nails like once every week or week and a half. So, these are really cool though. I love these designs. So, yeah, we'll have to see how this goes. I love the little boxes she puts them in. These are so super cute. Totally going to reuse these in the future. So that's really awesome, guys. Again, that's Nail Game by Kiki. I found them on Cratejoy, but apparently they have their own website. So I'd encourage you to check out their website first because they probably have a bigger variety on their website than they do with their subscription box on Cratejoy. So that's all I got for you guys in this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! And in today's subscription box Saturday, I have for you the Nail Game by Kiki. Is that what it's called? Not the. It's Nail Game by Kiki. All right, try it again. Twinsburg, Ohio. Awesome.